So on this particular model, which is a 1993 Volkswagen Passat, we have the diagnostic plug directly underneath the gear stick gaiter. So it's a case of literally just reaching underneath and popping up the whole trim like that. Just pop the gear stick back, pull it forward, and then we have the diagnostic connector down in here. On this type, it's the early type with the 2 pins, one black and one white. 2 ways of connecting to this type of diagnostic port. If you have the original diagnostic tool from the dealerships, this is the VAG 1551 or the VAG 1552 is the handheld version. Then the diagnostic lead has the traditional 3 pins on it, and you can simply connect on the white pin and the black pin straight in there, and as we can see, the 1551 powers up from the car and comes to life. So we can then, for example, do fault code diagnosis. This particular vehicle would only have address word 1 engine because it's an early car, and we'd be able to see if we pop the ignition on. We can then see that this particular car has the 1.8 monotronic injection, so that's where the diagnostic plug is. The other alternative, if you don't have the original tool like this, you can actually buy adapters which would have these 2 plugs on, and on the other side would have a connector to connect a standard OBD2 connector to plug onto most fault code readers. Okay, thanks for watching. So there we have it, just underneath the gear stick gaiter.